Hi, I'm Christine. I'm the cookware expert at Sous Chef, and I want to introduce our new knife range. We have been working on this for the past 2 years and tried and tested loads and loads of different knives to make sure we have the best options for you. So the blades we have chosen for these knives, they have a powdered steel core, which gives you a really great durability because you get a much more even distribution of the combination of metals that are in the steel. There's a hardness of about 62 on the Rockwell scale, so they're very hard knives. They'll keep sharp for a long time before you'll need to actually sharpen them. They have a beautiful 73-layer Damascus pattern on them. We have chosen to go with a stemmed handle, so you have your bolster, you have a stem going through the handle, and then a cap at the back. So you have a really nice balance in the knife as well. And the handle is made from paca wood, which is a wood resin combination. So it's really durable, really great for working in the kitchen, and you're not going to risk it splitting or anything over time either. So we've chosen to start with a very small collection and only 2 shapes. So we have a more traditional Western style knife, which is a chef's knife. So we have a straight heel and a more curved blade, works really well with a more rocking type of motion for chopping. And you have a blade that's 20 centimeter long. The second one we have is a Santoku, so a more Japanese style shape. It's a little bit more of a straight blade, works really well for an up and down chopping motion. Both are great all-rounder knives that you're going to be using daily in the kitchen. I always recommend to start with a chef's knife or a Santoku knife. It's going to be the knife that does virtually everything in your kitchen. These are going to be your daily workhorses. They'll do everything from chopping to cutting julienne or mincing garlic. They'll just be so great at everything. And you can choose your personal favorite shape, or we'll also have them available as a set of 2 if you want both.